In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Expensify and create new expense entries seamlessly. Whether you're a first-time user or someone looking to refine how you manage finances, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process. Let's begin at the Expensify workspace. Once you're there, you'll notice a familiar layout, a place where you can view all your expenses and reports. Now, direct your attention to the lower left side of the page, where you'll find a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating new entries, so go ahead and click on it. After that, you'll see an option to Create Expense. Selecting this will prompt a menu on the right side of the page. Here, you're given a choice to scan documents. It's simple. Just click on Scan, then select Choose Files. Navigate through your computer to find the soft copy of the receipt you want to digitize. This feature makes it incredibly easy to upload receipts without the hassle of manual entry. With the receipt uploaded, click on the description of your first receipt to enter any additional details you find necessary. This method is great for maintaining clarity and adding context to your expenses. For this example, I'll name it Dinner Receipt, a straightforward label to remember what the expense was for. Once you've entered all pertinent details, hit Save. Now, let's move on to categorizing the expense appropriately. Click on Category, and you'll see several options that describe the nature of various expenses. For our dinner, I'll categorize it under Meals and Entertainment. Choosing the right category is crucial for budget tracking and report generation. Next, if you have another receipt to enter, navigate to it by clicking the arrow at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the second receipt. Again, click on its description to input the details. Here, I'll call this one Hotel Receipt. As before, after entering the details, save your work. For this second expense, we'll also choose an appropriate category. By clicking Category, you identify the nature of the expense. Go ahead and select the option that fits best. Once all your details are set, you'll notice an option to Create Two Expenses. Click on it to finalize the work you've done. You'll then head to the Expense menu to verify that your two new entries appear in the list. And just like that, you've successfully added new entries to Expensify. This process is designed to be straightforward and helps keep your financial management organized. Keep practicing, and you'll find handling your finances with Expensify a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to manage your expenses wisely.